Hello friends, so welcome back to another important video of semiconductor physics. So today in this video I'm going to talk about the extrinsic semiconductor. So let's start the video without wasting much time. So the extrinsic semiconductor as the semiconductors that are doped with specific impurities. That means the impurity which are added to the semiconductor that modifies the electrical properties of the semiconductor and makes it more suitable for the electronic devices. That means the impurities are added only to increase the charge carrier in the system or in the semiconductor. Okay, so after adding the impurity, the electron concentration and the hole concentration will be unequal to each other. That means here the electron concentration will be not equal to hole concentration in the semiconductor. So after adding the impurities, if the whole concentration is less than the electron concentration in the semiconductor, then the electrons will dominate, and that will be called as the n-type of semiconductor. If the whole concentration will be greater than the electron concentration, then the holes will be dominated, and that will be called as the p-type semiconductor. So this happened after adding the impurities to the extrinsic semiconductor. Okay, so it's all about the extrinsic semiconductor. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching this video.